Hello Connection. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to share some important information about Python Developer, igniting the future of technology. Let's start our career information session on becoming a Python developer. Here we will explore the exciting world of Python development, the skills required, potential career paths, and the impact you can make in the tech industry. 1. Python in the tech landscape. Python has emerged as a powerhouse in the tech landscape, becoming one of the most popular and versatile programming languages. As a Python developer, you'll be working with a language renowned for its simplicity, readability, and vast library support, making it ideal for a wide range of applications. 2. Core skills of a Python developer. To excel as a Python developer, you'll need a solid foundation in Python programming concepts, data structures, and algorithms. Familiarity with frameworks like Django and Flask will help you build robust web applications. Additionally, understanding data manipulation libraries like Pandas and NumPy is vital for data analysis and machine learning tasks. 3. Building dynamic web applications. As a Python developer, you can specialize in web development, creating dynamic and user-friendly websites. Frameworks like Django offer an all-in-one solution, providing a seamless experience in building scalable, secure, and feature-rich web applications. 4. Empowering artificial intelligence and machine learning. Python's presence in artificial intelligence and machine learning is unmatched. With libraries such as TensorFlow, Keras, and Scikit-learn, you'll have the tools to develop intelligent systems, analyze data, and create groundbreaking applications. 5. Automation and scripting. Python's strength in automation and scripting makes it invaluable for streamlining repetitive tasks. As a Python developer, you'll create scripts that simplify processes, boost productivity, and save time for organizations across various industries. 6. Collaboration and problem solving. Collaboration is essential in any tech career, and as a Python developer, you'll often work in cross-functional teams. Your expertise in problem-solving and critical thinking will be instrumental in tackling complex challenges and delivering innovative solutions. 7. Diverse career opportunities. The demand for Python developers spans multiple industries, from tech giants to startups, finance to healthcare, and beyond. Whether you choose to specialize in web development, data science, or artificial intelligence, your skills will be sought after and rewarded. 8. Impact on the future. As a Python developer, you'll play a vital role in shaping the future of technology. Your contributions to open-source projects, innovative applications, and cutting-edge research will leave a lasting impact on society. Congratulations! You've just scratched the surface of the vast opportunities that await you as a Python developer. With Python's versatility and your passion for coding, you'll find yourself at the forefront of technological advancements, making a positive impact on the world. Thank you for joining our career information session on becoming a Python developer. Embrace the Python journey, and let your passion for coding ignite your future in the ever-evolving tech industry. Happy coding!